Hi guys, and welcome back once again to my channel, the Active for You channel. I hope you all are doing good. I miss you all so much, and thank you guys so much for always watching my videos, coming back to watch. God bless you all. I just want you all to know that I love you guys so much. Today I'm going to share with you a simple Ghanaian breakfast recipe. It's like fried eggs and bread. We call it chibom. In Ghana, it's called chibom. And guys, oh my God, if you got this to eat, you are a rich person. So here are the ingredients. I have here my bread, sliced bread. I have pepper powder, salt. Pepper powder is optional, but I want mine a little bit spicy. I have here some chopped onions and tomatoes, and I have my eggs and then my oil. So these are all the ingredients that you will need. If you want to add um, extra veggies to it, you can feel free to go ahead and do it, but the typical Ghanaian chibom, these are the ingredients that you need. So here I have my bowl. I'm just going to break in some egg in it. So I'm breaking 2 eggs at a time. This is chibom. If you do one, it's not chibom. So you have to make 2 or more eggs to make it chibom. Like you are chiabom, you are frying to add. That is literally what it means. So here I just added in my tomatoes and onions and the pepper powder, some salt, and then you mix everything together. It's so simple to make, oh guys, and it's yummy. It's a typical street food in Ghana. So here I have my saucepan. I just tested to see if the oil is hot, and it was hot. So you just add it in, and then you do it in a low, don't do it in a very high heat. Should be on low to medium heat because you don't want to burn it. I always prefer to cover it because the lady at the back of my house in the street always covers it, and then that way I don't know what it does, if it makes the egg bigger or what, I don't really know. So but I like doing it this way. So just let it be on fire for about 2 to 3 minutes, then you turn it on each side. So here I'm going to just turn my eggs, and then when you turn it, then you let it be fry on the other side for some minutes, and then you just do it that way, and then you just press it with that thing. So here I'm just toasting my egg. So I put the egg inside the bread, and then I just toasted the bread and the egg together. This is the typical way we toast bread in Ghana, because it's not everybody that have a toaster. So this is how we do it. So we continue to do it till you finish frying all your eggs for your family. So here I saw that the oil was too small, so I added a little bit to it, and then I followed the same process, and guys, it was all done. You follow the same process till you finish frying all the eggs that you have at hand. Make sure that you press it with that frying with that thing. You need to press it too. I think the reason why we do it this way is to try to get some of the excess oil out. So here, that is exactly how we do it in Ghana. That is how we toast our bread, like typical way of toasting your bread, using the frying pan. The frying pan. If you don't have the toaster, no problem, you can use your own frying pan to do it. So that is exactly what I'm doing, and guys, I love this. I love it's so yummy, so yummy. So it's all done. So I'm going to just make some hot tea. In Ghana we call Milo tea. Everything is tea. The typical Ghanaian will call Milo tea. So I'm making my hot chocolate, my tea, to add it to it. So my chocolate is all done. I'm just going to take my own, and then voila, I eat breakfast. Guys, this is very filling, and it's so yummy, simple to make. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you, and I love you all. Bye bye.